Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member, and I'm going to be going over a correlation coefficient for two continuous variables. So when you're starting off using SPSS, oftentimes you have to kind of understand what is going on in terms of the research question. So I started by telling you that this is continuous versus continuous. Let's back up a little bit. The way to open, so you want to download, obviously, the Framingham Heart Study data set from the course. And then when you do, a lot of times your data is in the download space. And you can, once you do that, you can open that and go from there. All right. So in this segment, I've already provided all of the variables. Now your job is to select and provide an analysis. So let's go through this list and take a look at correlate. And here's a way to kind of create a correlation coefficient. So bivariate correlation. So you have the Pearson correlation. Let's put in age and systolic blood pressure, and then take a look at what this provides. Of course, I already told you that we were going after the Pearson. So make sure that this is clicked, and then select OK. And so let's take a look at the Pearson correlation and how this can be interpreted. So as you can see, this is two separate variables, and they are being graphed against each other. So you have age, and this is systolic blood pressure. Of course, age and age, that would be 1 because that's the same variable. But if you look here, the age and the systolic blood pressure, this is the p-value that you want to be looking at. So 0.43, of course, you know p less than 0.05 is statistically significant. This is not the case, so you you accept the null hypothesis. So I misspoke here. So the 0.43 is the correlation coefficient. So typically those values are between 0 to 1. So that's what 0.43 is. Now the p-value is this. So this is less than 0.05. And so there is a significant relationship between age and systolic blood pressure. So this is the coefficient, and this is the p-value. Those are the most important values in the analysis that you conducted. So we went through quite a few things: how to, first of all, open SPSS, how to access the data set. Those are very important. And then going into Framingham, selecting two continuous variables, and then conducting a Pearson correlation. So these are all of the components to consider. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.